Hey y'all, and welcome back to another Clean With Me video. If you are new, my name is Ryan Michelle. Today's video is a quick morning speed clean with me. In this quick morning speed clean with me, my house was pretty messy, so I really needed to give it a quick clean. Lately when I clean my house, I'm usually stuck cleaning all day. That's why I decided to set a timer for an hour and 30 minutes so I can really limit myself on today's Clean With Me video. I had so much to get done this day, so that's why I decided to do a quick speed clean. But in this Clean With Me, I'll be cleaning the downstairs area, I'll be cleaning both living rooms, I'll be cleaning the kitchen, and I'll also be cleaning the eating area. So let's get these messy areas all taken care of. So the first area that I will be cleaning in this quick clean is my front living room area. This area has really turned into the kids' play area from all of the toys you can see all over the floor. But I'm going to quickly tidy all of that up, give it a good vacuum in here. And yeah, if this is your first time clicking on my video today, my name is Ryan Michelle, and on my channel I create cleaning and laundry motivational videos, home decor inspirations. So if you like content like that, I really hope you consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. We are also a military family, and I am a stay-at-home mom of 4 beautiful kiddos. We are getting ready to move out of the country really soon. We are moving to Germany. So if you do like content like that and you would love to follow me and my family on this journey, please hit that red subscribe button. And yeah, let's get back to cleaning. Let me know down in the description box if you are cleaning along with me or if you are just watching. I know that this video is a lot shorter than my normal, so if you do need some more cleaning motivation, that will be linked in my description box along with some laundry motivation, because there was no laundry in this video. But I just went ahead and wiped down my couches with some Awesome because Lauren was eating something in here, so I really needed to clean that up.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason.
Now I'm just going to spray down my sofa with the Tide fabric sanitizer, and this stuff smells so good. I usually use disinfectant spray, but I was just in the mood to use this stuff today. I do have a ton of cleaning products that I would love to just get rid of, but I like to take my time, and then I go back and forth between products from time to time. It's just, I don't know, it makes me feel good. But I am joined in this video by my beautiful daughter, Lauren.
I just wanna look into your eyes.
So next we are moving on to the kitchen area. I needed to clean up the countertops because they were pretty messy. So I will be dumping everything, all of the trash that were on the countertops in this little trash bag, and then I'll be putting it in the trash. Then I will be taking care of the dishes. So I am a pre-washer. I like to wash my dishes and then put them in the dishwasher. That's just me. I don't know why I do it. Either way is fine if you do it or not. I think it's just a personal preference. But let me know down in the comment section if you are a pre-washer too, or you just put them in the dishwasher.
Like this, don't know what happened to you. Put my trust in you. Guess that I couldn't do that. Oh, but I know now. Shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, ran away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your rain. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar?
So if you are enjoying this quick speed clean with me and you are getting some motivation, please leave this video a big thumbs up and drop me some comments down below. If you are not cleaning, let me know what you are up to.
Tell me, 'cause I wanna know. Oh, just please tell me why. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Hey, you had my heart in your rain. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a under neon bright lights when you, I see you dancing my tattoos. There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah.
Oh my God, y'all, I seriously hate this trash closet. Like, I would prefer the trash can to just be out in the kitchen to prevent all of this because it's just really messy in here. But I'm just going to go ahead and get this cleaned.
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out.
So I still had 27 minutes left, but I still needed to clean the eating area, and then I will be cleaning up the other living room.
Breathing out there for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. You play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. You play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Okay, so now moving on to the other living room. I will be cleaning up in here. It was pretty messy in here, but I had about 14 minutes left on my timer to finish off my cleaning. I wasn't too worried about the timer, but y'all, I will clean all day if somebody does not stop me. So when I do clean all day, y'all, I'm like super tired like the next day or like the next few days. So that's why I really just set a limit on my cleaning today, because I had a ton of more editing to do and I just had a lot of stuff that I needed to get done. I am still trying to manage 2 channels now, so if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel. I just uploaded a vlog about how I feel about the new big move. But yeah, if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to that channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are loyal, I'm about to clean my coffee table, so you already know.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me, gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no lost. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, stop. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no lust. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything.
So I am all done cleaning, you guys, and next I'm just going to enjoy me a cup of coffee with my favorite coffee creamer. If you are a coffee drinker, let me know down in the comments, what is your favorite creamer? I know a lot of people don't really like flavored coffee creamers, but the Snickers is my absolute favorite, guys. There are some that come close, but it's still not like the Snickers. But I'm just going to go ahead and drink me some coffee, finish some editing, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys back on my next one.